So we are at Holiday Inn Express Auckland Central City and we are about to check in.
Elevator is going up.
They apparently took all our luggage and dropped it off here from the last hotel. That was really sweet of them. So we'll see if it gets here. Take the elevator or the escalator up to the lobby area. And you come here and there's another elevator. Here's on the second floor. And laundry's on the third floor, but then the laundry for the other hotel's on the first. We just checked in.
We have the harbor view and the highest floor for this part of the building.
And we
Technically,
also
this
have
goes
free
up
breakfast
to-
here.
Yeah.
That's,
Usually pop in
it
here.
may not be as nice as Boko, but you know, it should be fun.
Use our spots.
Oh, it is fairly spacious.
Okay. Here we go.
So here we are at the Holiday Inn Express. We just got to the Holiday Inn Express in Auckland Central City. Right here we have a little closet thingamajiggy, trash can. What's in this mirror? Does this thing open? Oh no, it's on this side. We have a kettle, safe, tea, mugs, mini fridge with a milk, and that's the room. For the bathroom, we have a toilet, sink area, shower, Urban Skincare Co. Body balm and hand and body cleanser. And in the shower, we have a handheld shower with the same Urban Skincare Co. stuff. Still asleep. And here is our view. So for tonight, we have a view of the Auckland Sky Tower. And apparently, I think tonight's the first night they're gonna start lighting Christmas lights on the Sky Tower. So we will have the perfect view for it. That's pretty cool. For breakfast at the Holiday Express Auckland City Centre or City Central, one of them. And I guess it comes out right here. So that's the pancake from the machine. I got orange juice and here we go, my little spread of breakfast foods.